Good day everyone! You've turned into Balitang Pulso hanggang 24/7, pulsing in the heart of our nation, bringing you stories that matter from our local communities to the global stage. I'm Jamela Sophia Pascual.
I'm Julian Teruel.
And I'm Kate Sia. Here's our today's top stories. Starting off locally, a community cleanup drive was held at Barangay San Antonio this weekend. Nursing student and resident worked hand in hand to promote cleanliness and prevent dengue outbreaks.
According to organizer, the activity not only improved hygiene but also strengthened unity among neighbors. Truly, a small act can make a big impact in keeping our community safe and healthy.
In national news, the Department of Health has launched a new campaign to raise awareness on mental health among students. The program called Mind Matters PH aims to provide free counseling sessions in schools and universities. Experts say mental health is just as important as physical well-being, especially for students balancing academics and personal challenges.
Meanwhile, around the globe, nurses from various countries gathered in Geneva, Switzerland for the World Nursing Congress 2025. The event highlighted innovations in healthcare and global cooperation to enhance patients' care. These events reminds us that the future of healthcare depends on teamwork, innovation, and compassion, values every nursing student should live by.
And that wraps up our story for today. Stay informed, stay inspired, and always keep your heartbeat in tune with the words around you. Once again, this is Balitang Pulso hanggang 24/7, pulsing in the heart of our nation, your source for news with a heartbeat.